Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide header text in Squarespace. This is particularly useful when you want to clean up your site's appearance or remove certain headings that might be cluttering your design without affecting the overall layouts. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to hide the header text. This will open up that specific site's editing interface and give you access to all the customization options you need. Now focus on the left side menu, you'll see several options listed there. Click on Website, and directly under it, you should see an option labeled Pages. Click on Pages to proceed. This section allows you to manage the structure and content of your site, but we're going to dive a bit deeper into the customization settings. Again, focus on that left side menu. This time, look for an option called Custom Code. Click on it, and underneath you'll find Custom CSS. Click on Custom CSS. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to add your own styling rules to override the default Squarespace design. Now, I've already prepared the code you'll need for this tutorial. Feel free to pause the video at this point so you can copy the code exactly as shown. Once you've copied it, simply paste it into the custom CSS field. This code is designed to target and hide header text across your site. Here's something important to note. The code I've provided selects all header text from H1 to H6. This means it will hide every type of heading on your site by default. However, you can easily edit this code to customize which headings you want to hide. If there's a specific heading level you don't want to hide, simply remove that line from the code. For example, if you want to keep H2 headings visible, just delete the H2 line from the code block. Once you've made any necessary edits to the code, click Save. Squarespace will apply the changes immediately, and your selected header text will now be hidden from view on your site. And that's it. You've successfully hidden header text in Squarespace using custom CSS, giving you more control over your site's visual presentation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.